Welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to walk through the steps to see your sent emails from your Gmail account on your PC. This new update makes it easier than ever to find those important messages you've sent. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open Gmail. Launch your preferred web browser and go to the Gmail website by typing in gmail.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be greeted by your inbox. Next, look towards the top of the page for the menu icon. This is typically represented by three horizontal lines, or a grid icon, located in the upper left corner of your screen. Click on this menu icon to expand the options available to you. Now that you have the menu open, it's time to find your sent emails. Scroll down through the list of options until you see Sent. Click on this option, and you will be taken directly to your Sent folder. In this folder, you can easily review all the emails you've sent out. Each email will display important information such as the recipient's name, subject line, and the date it was sent. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping track of your correspondence and ensuring that important messages have been delivered. If you're looking for a specific email, you can also use the search bar at the top of the Gmail interface. Just type in keywords related to your email, and Gmail will filter through your sent messages to help you find what you're looking for. By following these simple steps, opening Gmail, clicking on the menu icon, and selecting Sent, you can quickly access all your sent emails on your PC. This update not only streamlines the process but also enhances your overall Gmail experience. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tips and tutorials on using Gmail and other productivity tools. Enjoy managing your emails with ease.